If you don't see incoming calls from WhatsApp on your POCO C85, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna open settings. We want to scroll down to apps settings over here, and then we want to find WhatsApp on this list. There we go. Let's go ahead and open it. Next, we're gonna go to app permissions, and you want to make sure that some of these permissions are granted. In my case, many of them are not granted, but of course, one of the most important ones is notifications. You can also tap on notifications, and you want to make sure that these options are enabled, especially these over here, including those from notification permissions category, but also, for example, for chats and maybe some other stuff in here as well, like, for example, some other notifications, perhaps. Maybe you want to also enable silent notifications. You can also go to the settings in the app in order to check notifications in there as well. But this can be the reason why you do not see incoming calls. So make sure that notifications are set up. Going back to permissions, of course, we want to set them up as well. Like, for example, call logs. We want to make sure that this one is granted. Of course, camera can be quite useful as well. You can also grant the permission for contacts and the microphone too, of course, and some other stuff as well. I guess the phone permission is one of the most important ones actually, so you want to grant that as well, and SMS as well. Usually these permissions are granted when you set up WhatsApp, when you log into your account, or when you actually open the app for the first time, but there is a chance that something got messed up and something is missing, so you want to make sure that these things are actually granted. So this should be pretty much it. I think the best way to actually try to solve this is by going through all of these permissions and grant them all, or at least most of them. Maybe location is not really necessary, but you get the idea. Alright, so now that we have notifications and permissions set up, and if it still doesn't work, what you can also do is you can go ahead and open a notifications and status bar in here, and then we can open lock screen, and you want to make sure that WhatsApp actually has the permission to show you lock screen notifications. Usually we can still set it up in the notification section over here in notification permissions, but just in case you missed that for some reason, of course, you want to double check. What you can also do is, for example, show the content of lock screen notifications. If the content is hidden in your case, then you can temporarily at least show the content and see if that makes any difference. And that should be pretty much it. There's also one more thing that we can do, maybe two things actually. The first thing that I want to mention additionally is that we can, of course, uninstall the app and install it again, so perform a clean setup from the beginning, or you can go back to apps and open WhatsApp, and then you want to clear all the data. Of course, keep in mind that if you do so, then you will be locked out and you will have to set it up again. For example, over here we have clear cache, and we also have manage space where we can go to, so you can do that. Or like I said, you can completely uninstall the app and then install it one more time. And the second thing that I also wanted to mention is, of course, a reboot of your phone. So you can restart or reboot your phone to see if that helps. And some other stuff, like, for example, the Do Not Disturb mode can also be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. So make sure that DND mode is not enabled, which you can find, for example, in the control center if you add it over here, or you can press volume up or volume down in order to see if you have this one icon enabled. So make sure that it is off. Or you can also find a DND in sound settings. So if you go to sound and vibration, then over here we have the Do Not Disturb, so make sure that it is off. So that's about it. Subscribe to my channel.